So, have you ever wondered what a budget smartwatch would look and feel like? Today I got this for you guys. Hi, my name is Sam. If you're new here, I do tech stuff. Today, Vastking has sent over their new smartwatch actually to send over for a review. So a huge thanks to Vastking for sending over their Fit M3 smartwatch for a quick review and unboxing. So let's get into it. Okay, so here is the front of the box. We can see a render of the smartwatch or smart band in front of here, and then on the side here it says Fit M3 smartwatch. On the bottom, let me just zoom in a bit, it says Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch, and then on the bottom we have Vastking logo again, and then we have a few specifications here. So we have a step counting, calorie monitor, sleep monitor, blood oxygen monitor, sports recording, weather query, we have heart rate monitoring, and also music control. And then right underneath that we can see what's in the box. It says you have a Fit M3 inside, the power cable, the user manual, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. And that's it for the bottom of the box. Now let's open it up. Just cutting it open. Alright, so I'm really excited to take a look what's inside. Okay, so the top is empty, and the bottom you can see the watch laid out like this. Wow, it looks really nice in my opinion. So there's some words in front here. It says function battery, press to turn on and off the battery, the button on the side. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. And then over here it says accessories inside. So let's take out the watch first. Feels pretty nice in my opinion with the band. Wow, that's the back. Okay, put it aside. Let's open up the box. Okay, so again, here we have the Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch user manual. We can go through that later. So far, good impressions. Then we have the charging brick right here. Let's open it up. Oh. Okay, so it uses magnets, the two pins here, to connect to the top, and it just snaps into place like this. Okay, pretty nice. And then of course the last thing here, we got 1 year free warranty. You can register on their website by sending the QR code, and this is the back. Alright, let's put everything aside and take a closer look at the manual and the watch. So here is the manual for the Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch. We're just going to run through a few things. So on this page we can see it says charging. You insert the USB into any charger, and then you just hold the plug in place at the back for it to charge. And then pairing, we need to download the Fit app to your search for your watch, and then you need to add a device, and then here it goes through the controls, turn on and on. Then we have wake screen, the pause mode, and then return to the previous interface by pressing one time. And then you can swap up, down, left, right to interact with the watch. Again, we can see a few functions here, and then it goes through quite a lot of details on how to wear it and all. If you guys want to read, you can pause the video. Let me just see, you can focus. Right. If you want to read it, you can pause the video, and that is it. Okay, now let's take a closer look around the watch. The watch comes in front here. We can see the screen. I'm not sure what's the screen size, but I'll put it in after I'm doing some research on it. It has a metal case or metal housing around it. It feels really nice. The quality feels nice. And on the right side, you guys can see there's a red power button over here, and on the bottom there's a sensor, and it says waterproof. And then you have the two pins for charging. They come with these silicone straps that are pretty soft and nice. They are quick releasable, so you guys can see there are pins here, so you can replace this with any standard watch strap if you want to. Now let's take a look in the watch. On the watch face is here. This is one of the watch face that comes installed. Let me just show you guys a few of the watch faces. So you have 1, 2, and then the third one, and the fourth one pre-installed. You'll check later if there's any on the app. So if you scroll down from the top, you can go to like a settings. This is all your settings on the top. And if you scroll to the bottom, you can check your notifications. If you swipe to the right, you can see a list of all the apps installed here. And if you go back to the menu and swipe to the left, you guys can go through your step counter, your sleeping, your heart rate and your SpO2 levels, and then you can go back home to the home screen again. Now let's connect it to my smartphone and see how it works with the app. Okay, so I currently have the Fit app installed in my smartwatch. Let's just open it, and then it says you have to press add bracelet, so I'm going to press add right here, only this time, and then it detects it directly. Actually, that was pretty fast in my opinion. Now we can just press Vastking M3, and then we can check if it's connected. Yep, it is connected. Right here you can see the battery is at 88%. Let's see if there's more watch faces on here. Actually there's just 4, but the 4th one you can actually edit, so I think you can replace the picture. Yep, you can replace the picture in the background. Okay, so far there's only these 4 watch faces. If you press more watch faces, we can actually see there's quite a lot here, so we can actually try to install one now. Let's try this one and press download. So it's downloading now, and then you can see it says it's updating to the smartwatch. So I'm pretty impressed by how many watch faces it has right now. So let's just let it install, and I'll get back to you guys again. Okay, so I have the newest one now installed, and it looks pretty nice in my opinion. So you can actually go here and to the app, and then press at the bottom for more watch faces. A lot more will load up. I'm not sure how many there are. There's quite a lot. So if you get this smartwatch, you can go through a lot of watch faces. So a few things I want to go through that I really like about this smartwatch, or the design, is the design is quite nice. The bezels are minimum. The build quality is nice, and I like that you can change out the straps for any kind of strap you want. And I like that you can check your notifications on the bottom by just swiping up, because I previously owned other smartwatches, and when you swipe up, you don't actually get to see your notifications. You actually have to go through the menu and find it. So that is a few things that I like. So yeah, that was a quick look and review at the Vastking Fit M3 smartwatch right here. I really like it at the price. It's launching at $50 right now, and it's around 200 ringgit. So if you can get it for that price, it's really nice. I like the build quality. I like especially the watch face and the interface of the smartwatch. Hopefully it works well long term. I'm not sure because I just got it for like 2 days. So if you want to see this in a long term review, please leave a like and comment so I know this. So yeah, again, huge thanks to Vastking for sending this over for a review. So that is it for this video guys. Leave a like if you liked it. You can dislike this video if you didn't like it. Subscribe if you haven't. I have more videos like this coming soon. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye guys.